How to set Honeywell thermostat to Celsius. Follow these instructions. Tap the menu button on your thermostat to enter the settings and start changing the temperature unit format. Scroll using arrow buttons or swipe until you find Preferences or an option called System Settings. Select the Preferences or System Settings option to access unit and temperature display settings. Find out until you find temperature display or units from the available list of settings. Choose Celsius, degree C, instead of Fahrenheit, degree F, from the temperature units list shown on the screen. Press Done, Save, or Apply to confirm the unit change and apply Celsius to your main display. Go back to the home screen, and now the room temperature will show in Celsius, degree C, format. Thank you for watching.